Okay, students, good morning to all of you. So, in previous class, we are discussing about the rain man problems. No? Yeah. So, different types of problems we are seeing. No? Yeah. So, let us take one example so that you will understand clearly. I am going to share one material, that your material only, so that you can see the question there. Kinematics. Here is relative velocity. Can you see this question, this material on your screen, students? Can you see this on your screen? Yes. Yes means what? Singular don't use ra. Yeah. See, one illustration is there. Wind blow. This no need. This let us take question number 49. Illustration 49. See, Nana, there are of you. A man at rest observes the rain falling vertically. When he walks at 4 km per hour, he has to hold his umbrella at an angle of 53 degrees from the vertical. Then find the velocity of rain. Clear? Yeah. See question. Man at rest position. Okay. Here is the man. He is in rest position. Initially. So man at rest observes rain falling vertically. So on him, rain is falling vertically like this. Okay. Now what happened? When he walks at 4 km per hour, okay. When he walks like this, at the velocity of man is 4 km per hour. What happened? What happened to his position? He has to hold his umbrella at an angle of 53 degrees with the vertical. Okay. So with this vertical, he has to hold his umbrella in this direction. 53 degrees here. Then what is then find the velocity of rain. Then what is the velocity of rain? They are asking. Okay. A very simple, see here, a triangle you form. This is 4 km per hour. This is 4 km per hour and rain is falling on him like this. This is velocity of rain. That is VR. Don't know. This is your resultant. This angle is 53 degrees. Okay. Now construct one rectangle triangle with this. This is 4 means this is also 4 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we are having opposite side. We need adjacent side. Take tan theta. Tan 53 degrees is equal to and opposite side 4. Adjacent side don't know. We are finished. We know tan 53. Tan 53. If it is 53 degrees, then it will be 4. This will be 3. This will be 5. Tan 53 is 4 by 3. Yes. So 4 by 3 equal to 4 by VR. 4 cancel. Multiply. Okay, students? Clear? So tan 53, we need to find, we will get the velocity of rain is 3 km per hour. Finished. Answer we got. Okay? Yeah, it is very simple example. Let us take one more example. One more let us take. This is similar to Rain Man problem only. I'll take Rain Man problem only so that you will understand clearly. So I'll go to exercise, beginner boxes. Yeah, wait. Question number 4, Sinana here. Question number 4. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. A woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 10 meter per second in north to south direction. Yes. Let us do this problem. What is the direction in which she has to hold her umbrella? Yeah, let me take the data first. First, question number 4. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. Okay, so this is rain. Rain is falling like this. Velocity of rain is how much? 30 meter per second. They have given. Okay, meter per second. Okay. Next, what they are saying that a woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 10 meter per second in north south direction. See, you know directions. This is north. This is south. This is east. This is west. So actually, what you draw, women direction you draw like this. Don't draw like that. Because vertically, rain is falling vertically like this. So to show that, let us draw this. Let us rotate it. So this will become north. This will be south. Clear? This will be east. This will be west. So in this direction, woman is riding a bicycle like this. Velocity of woman, how much? 10 meter per second in this direction. North direction. North means positive axis. Okay? Yes. Now, what they are asking question? In what direction in which she has to hold her umbrella? Yeah. So velocity of woman is along I cap. Velocity of rain is along minus j cap. So velocity of rain with respect to women find velocity of rain minus velocity of women. Velocity of rain is minus 30 j cap minus velocity of women is 10 I cap. Construct a triangle for this. Construct a triangle for this. So in this direction 30, in this direction 10. So your result will be should be like this. With the vertical, this is angle theta. Okay, this is 10 means this is also 10. Yes, find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side 10, adjacent side 30. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. In this direction, she has to hold her umbrella. Finish. You'll get the answer. Don't know the value means keep it as it is like this. Got it, students? Okay? Okay na? Next question, see. Question number 5. I'm not getting any response from you. Students? Yes, sir. Question number 5, see. A man standing in the rain holds her umbrella at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. Okay? Hold her umbrella at angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. Okay. So this is the vertical. Man is standing here. He is holding his umbrella at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. Yes, this is 30 degrees. Okay? Clear? Next, what they are saying? He holds the umbrella and starts running. He throws the umbrella and starts running with 10 km per hour. Now he is throwing his umbrella and starts running like this. Velocity of man 10 km per hour. Okay. He is running now like this. He finds that raindrops are hitting on his head vertically. Now this man who is running, he finds that raindrops are falling on him vertically. Okay. Okay, that is the point they have given. Okay, now find velocity of rain with respect to running man. Also calculate actual speed of raindrops. Okay, this is a problem. Round it, important question. Previous question it is. Okay. Yeah. So question Sinana, what they are saying that rain is falling vertically. Sorry, man is standing in rain, holds her umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical. First, initially, man is holding his umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical, like this. Means rain is falling on him like this. This is velocity of rain. Are you understanding? Because always one has to hold her umbrella exactly opposite direction to rainfall. Because he is holding his umbrella 30 degrees in this direction means rain is also falling in this direction means with the vertical this is angle 30 degrees. Now, so this velocity, let us write in component form. What we can write now? VR velocity in this direction, VR cos 30 degrees. In this direction, VR sin 30 degrees. Correct? I am writing that in component form. In downward direction, VR cos 30 degrees, J cap minus. And it is negative x-axis. So minus VR sine 30 degrees I cap, like yesterday's problem. So because in initial condition, man is holding his umbrella in this direction, means rain is falling on him in this direction. This velocity of rain is not given. Let it be something. The value is something. But this angle is 30 degrees with the vertical. Means we can resolve this into components. VR cos 30 and VR sin 30. In vector form I am writing now. VR cos 30 j cap minus VR sin 30 I cap. Why I am writing these two minus? Because these two are like this. This is one negative y axis, this is negative x axis. That is the reason. Okay? Now, velocity of man given. Velocity of man is 10 km per hour. 10 I cap. Okay? 10 km per hour is a unit. Okay, 10 I cap. In this direction he is moving. Now what happened? He throws his umbrella and starts running with 10 km per hour. Now he finds that rain is falling vertically on him. Initially rain is falling like this. When he is running, rain falling vertically on him. Okay? Yeah, that is the condition. Means velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. So velocity of rain with respect to man will become velocity of rain how much? This is velocity of rain. Okay. So what is this value? Let us find first one here only. So it is equal to minus VR cos 30 value root 3 by 2 j cap minus VR sin 30 value 1 by 2 I cap. Means it will be root 3 by 2 VR j cap minus VR by 2 I cap. This is velocity of rain. And velocity of man is given 10 I cap. Okay? Velocity of man is given 10 I cap. Clear? Yes. Now, I am finding velocity of rain with respect to man. How much it is? This is first slide. Minus 3 by 2 VR j cap minus VR by 2 I cap. This is VR minus VM 10 I cap. Okay. So velocity of rain with respect to man becomes what? CM minus 3 by 2 VR j cap. Here I cap is there, here I cap is there. Take I cap common. Here minus I am writing. We get VR by 2 minus 10 plus 10. Okay? So minus VR by 2 minus into plus minus 10 I cap. Yes, perfect. Yeah, it is root 3 by 2, no? Yes, root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 it is. Clear? Yes. Now, what we need to find? What they are saying that now velocity of rain with respect to man, he observed in vertical direction. In vertical direction. Clear? So when he is running, he feels that rain is falling on him vertically. Vertical direction only rain is falling means this horizontal component value should become 0. Yes or no? Clear? Students, what I am saying? What I am saying, see here. Because when he is running He sees that rain is falling on him vertically. When rain is falling vertically means only vertical components only should be present. Horizontal component value should be 0. Are you getting, students? Clear? That means VR by 2 plus 10 should be equal to 0. Then what is VR by 2? VR by 2 is equal to minus 10. Then VR equal to what? Minus 20. Here minus sign indicates what? Downward direction. See, first I have calculated up to here. Up to this point clear, no, all of you? Some students are sending that not understanding. Okay. Up to here, understood, no? Up to this point. Is it okay up to this point? Up to this point, is it okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Now this is velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay. Now in question they have given that when he is running with 10 km/h, he sees that he observed that rain is falling on him along vertically. Rain is only along the vertical. Means only vertical velocity is there, whereas horizontal velocity is not there. He feels that rain is falling on him vertically. Means this component, y-axis means horizontal velocity component should be 0. Then only it will become vertical velocity alone. Now understood? See here written, VRM is only in vertical direction. Means in vertical direction only. Because of that, horizontal component of velocity should become 0. So this I am making 0. Then only this velocity will be only vertical. This will be there. Clear? Yes. So that is VR by 2 plus 10 should be 0. Means VR by 2 should be minus 10. VR is equal to minus 20. Minus sign indicates in downward direction. So velocity of rain we got. Here? Yeah. See question. Question C, no? Question C. Find velocity of rain with respect to man and also calculate actual speed of raindrops. Actual speed of raindrops we got 20 km/h. Yes. Velocity of rain is 20 km/h. Minus sign indicates it is in downward direction. Now what we want? We want velocity of rain with respect to man now. Okay? Yes. So let us find that also. They are asking find velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, we will find. Okay? Yes. See. Here, this is velocity of rain with respect to man. How much is? Velocity of rain with respect to man is minus √3 by 2 VR j cap minus VR by 2 plus 10 I cap. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, is equal to minus √3 by 2 into VR value what? 20. VR value what? 20. So I am writing 20. J cap. Why I am not taking minus? Because already here I have shown minus. Minus 20 by 2 plus 10 I cap. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Means 10 √3 I j cap minus 2 ones are 2 tens are. 10 plus 10 20. 20 I cap. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. A value of velocity of rain with respect to man is this much. Finished. How many understood this one? How many of you understand this one? First, I calculated velocity of rain. Velocity of rain is 20 km/h. Minus indicates downward direction. That is the meaning. Okay. With respect to man, they are saying. That's why. With respect to man, they are saying. Yes. Last point, why we should not keep minus? VR value only modulus 20 km/h. Some students, why we need to keep minus, why we should not keep minus here? Okay, I'll draw this diagram so that you understand clearly. Rain is falling like this, man is moving like this. Okay, yes. So velocity of rain with respect to man will be like this. Okay, this I'll draw in a vector form. See, this is velocity of man. Rain is falling like this. This is velocity of rain. Clear? Okay. This is velocity of rain in this direction. Okay. Velocity of rain with respect to man. So how to find? See here. Velocity of rain with respect to man. See. Velocity of rain is K. Actual velocity of rain is 20 km per hour. Actual velocity of rain is 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour is minus downward direction. Yes, that I'll write. Actual velocity of rain is downward direction 20 km per hour like this. 20 km per hour. Actual velocity of rain is 20 km per hour. Minus sign indicates downward direction. Okay? Yeah. So due to this, rain appears to be for the man in this direction. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. So this will be theta. This will be minus velocity of man. So this is velocity of rain. It will appear to be. Now got it? In vector form I have shown. So better from here only you get it. It will be easy for you. This is 10 given. This is 20 we know. Then we can find this. Clear? Yeah, thank you. So this is how we need to solve the problems, Nana. Rain man problems, we have to solve like this. Clear? Now later we'll discuss. Now, river boat problem. River boat problems. These are also important for your competitive exams like JEE and NEET. Important point, not for your board exams, for JEE and NEET only. Okay? Yeah. See, listen carefully. Let us imagine that there is a river. River is flowing like this. Okay, river, water is flowing in this river like this. Water is flowing like this. Okay, let us imagine that river is flowing. River, I write small r. Velocity of river is in this direction. River is flowing like this. Okay, now there is one swimmer. He need to swim this river. Clear? Yes. Let us imagine the swimmer is swimming in this direction. This is velocity of swimmer. Means swimmer wants to swim in this river in this direction. Now, if you observe, if another person, his friend, is also in water, he is also swimming, then for him, this swimmer appears to be moving vertically like this. Yes. For example, let us imagine he is a very naughty boy. Let us imagine he is Christian. He is swimming across the river with a velocity of Vs. Okay, and river is flowing with the velocity of river. Okay, and here one more person. Let us imagine Abhay. He is also swimming, and if he observes this person, then as these two are swimming, he appears to be moving straight. But one more person who is standing on the bank of the river outside, if he observes, he is seeing that this swimmer is moving in this direction. Yes or no? Yes, because river will drift you in this direction. Due to that, you will feel that you are moving in this direction. That is nothing but this is velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. This is velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Are you understanding, students, what I am saying? See, you and your friend both are swimming in a flowing river. Both are swimming. For you, this person appears to be moving straight because both are moving like this, and he is moving like this. Means he is moving straight only. He appears to be moving straight only. Means because this person is saying now he is also inside a river. So this velocity comes out to be velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Whereas a person who is outside of this river, if he observes this person, then he is actually moving like this because of the velocity of river. Velocity of river is like this. So this person is moving like this. Means this is velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. Alright, you know that velocity of swimmer with respect to river is nothing but velocity of swimmer minus velocity of river. Then what is velocity of swimmer? Is nothing but velocity of swimmer with respect to river plus velocity of river. Like this we will observe with this velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. Are you understanding, students? This point is to be confused. Okay. One more time. This is a river, and in this river is flowing with a velocity v r like this. Okay? Listen carefully. Imagine it is happening for you only, like that you imagine. Okay? Let us imagine here your friend is there. Your friend is there. He wants to swim in this river. Along with your friend, you are also present here. You are also swimming. Now, as both of them wants to swim like this, for him, this person appears to be moving like this, straight. Because even though river flow is there, river flow effect will be same on both of them. River flow, even though river flow effect is same on both of them, this person is swimming forward. So he appears to be straight like this. Means this velocity, whatever he is swimming, this is velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Means from which frame you are observing this velocity? From river frame we are observing. So this is called as velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Now got it? But if you stand here at the bank of the river, if you stand outside the river, and if you observe that person who is swimming, he is observing, he appears to be moving like this. Yes or no? Yes. So when you observe from here, he appears to be moving like this. Yes or no? Yes, because river flow is there like this. So due to this river flow, he will move in this direction, and whereas he is swimming in this direction. So that due to these two effects, due to these two effects, he moves like this. Like triangular law. One vector, another vector, linear vector is like this. Did you got now? This is velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. With respect to ground, you are seeing. This is velocity of swimmer with respect to river flow. Still any doubt in this point? Which is velocity of swimmer with respect to river? Which is velocity of swimmer with respect to ground? With respect to ground means from which frame we are seeing. I am seeing from ground. For me, this swimmer appears to be moving like this. Whereas for you, you are also swimming. For you, he appears to be moving like this. Okay? Yes. Now, see, as this swimmer, he wants to move like this. due to river flow, he will cover some distance. X distance in this direction he will move. This X distance is called as drift. Drift due to river flow. How much distance horizontally he will move due to river flow? That distance we call it as drift. You remember this point. What is the drift of the person? This is X. How much distance he will travel here? This is drift of the person. Okay? Yes. Now let us imagine that this is small d, that is width of the river. Small d is the width of the river. If I want, in what time he will cross the river? In what time he will cross the river? Time we know that distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance I'll write d only. Okay. So in a time of distance, how much distance he has to travel vertically? D distance he has to travel. D upon to travel this vertical distance with what velocity he has to travel? With this velocity. That is velocity of swimmer with respect to river. So in this time he will cross the river. Within this time he will cross the river. Okay. Then due to he is moving like this, due to velocity of river, he will move in this direction. How much distance he will move? The distance he is moving is due to velocity of river. That is velocity of river into time it will take. So velocity of river into d by vsr. This is the drift he will get due to the river flow. Understood? Clear? Point we have to understand clearly. How he is moving, what time he will take to cross the river, and how much horizontally he will travel due to the river flow. These 2 points understood? No? How much time he will take to cross the river, and how much horizontal distance he will travel due to the river flow. These 2 points understood? Clear? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? No, sir. Good. So let us do one problem on this. Let us do one problem so that still you will understand clearly. Still more different variations are there in this. First, we will do one example on this topic. Okay? Yes. Let us imagine that there is a river flow and river is flowing like this. Velocity of river is, let us imagine 4 km per hour. Okay? And this width of the river is, let us imagine 16 km. Clear? Width of the river is 16 km per hour. Okay. Now let us imagine there is a swimmer. He wants to swim like this. This velocity of swimmer with respect to river is, let us imagine 3 km per hour. Then how much time he will take to cross the river? Time he will take to cross the river is. Yes, angles also will come. We will discuss later. Wait. Okay. Time he will take to cover is distance by velocity. Distance by velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Distance is 16 km in kilometer and velocity is 3 km per hour. Okay. 3 divided 16. No. So let us take this is 4. This is 3. So you get perfect answer. 4 the 16 means 4 hours. He will take 4 hours to cross this river. He will take 4 hours to cross this river. Okay. Now, within these 4 hours, he will travel some distance in this direction. X distance he will travel. How much distance he will travel? That is velocity of river into time taken to cross the river. So, velocity of river how much? 3 km per hour into time is 4 hours. This hour per hour cancelled. 3 4 the 12 kilometers he will travel in this direction. 12 kilometers he will travel in this direction. Are you understanding now? Here, this velocity of swimmer with respect to river is 4 kmph. Understood? Yes. So, 12 kilometers he will travel like this. In a time of 4 hours he will cross this river. Okay. Now, actually, how much distance he has swim? He has swim for this much distance. What is this value? How much distance he has swim? Swimmer has swim for this total distance. He has not swim for this distance. He has swim for this total distance. How much distance? How much distance the swimmer has traveled? This This is a rectangle triangle. This value we know. This value we know. Can you find this? Yes, it is equal to root of 16 square plus 12 square. This also they will ask 16 square how much? We can write 4 3 no 4 4 4 4 whole square plus 4 3 yes root of 4 square common take 4 square plus 3 square 4 square common become 4 and the root of 4 square plus 3 square is nothing but 5, so it is 20 kilometers. He has traveled in this direction 20 kilometers he has traveled. Okay? Okay. This logical calculations have done. Don't think about this one. This 20 kilometers he has traveled. Total distance he has traveled is 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. And how much he has drifted? This we can find like this. Remember. Clear? Yes. Now, for suppose because of this velocity of river, he is drifting like this. But let us imagine that here you and here your friend is standing. You want to reach exactly this friend. Then if you travel like this, exactly like this, then you can't reach him. You will reach somewhere else. But if you travel like this, then due to drift, you can reach here. Yes or no? Yes. So they will ask you at what angle you have to swim so that you can reach exactly opposite point. They will ask this type of questions. Let us see that also. Point understood? What I am saying? Students, there is a bank, this is a river flow, and here you are starting swimming and you want to reach this point because your friend is there, okay, and you are there. You want to reach exactly this point, but river flow is there like this. So due to that, you should not go like this. If you go like this, you will reach somewhere else. So you have to swim in this direction so that due to river flow you can reach this opposite point your friend is. Okay, clear? So how much angle you have to swim? This is velocity of swimmer with respect to river. This is velocity of river. How much angle you have to swim? They will ask, they do this value, they do this value, they will ask you this angle. Okay. See, here it has come on right angle triangle again. Okay, we know opposite side, we know hypotenuse. Then can you find sin theta? Yes, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. You will get the answer. Did you understand, students?